Hey fam, ready to get your body moving and loosen up those muscles? Today we've got a quick 5-minute dynamic stretch routine that will activate your legs, hips and core. Perfect for warming up before a workout or just getting the blood flowing for the day. Let's jump in and let's get started fam. Let's start with skater toe touches to fire up the legs and stretch out the hamstrings. Stand tall, and as you step your right foot behind you in a skating motion, reach your right hand down to touch your left toe. Now switch sides. Step your left foot behind you and touch your left toe with your left hand. Keep the movement controlled and try to reach as low as you can. This stretch warms up your legs, improves balance and activates your core. Keep your chest lifted, and remember, this is about loosening up, so move with intention, not speed. Next, we're moving into squat to stand. Start in a standing position, feet hip width apart. Drop into a squat, bringing your hands to your toes. As you stand, straighten your legs and stretch your hamstrings, reaching your arms up to the sky. Keep alternating between the squat and the stand. Each time you squat down, push your hips back and keep your chest lifted. As you stand, feel that deep stretch in your hamstrings. This move will stretch the legs and build mobility in your lower body. Let's keep that momentum going with some side-to-side steps. Start by stepping to the right, bringing your left foot to meet your right. Then step to the left and bring your right foot over. Keep the movement light and easy, swinging your arms across your body as you move. If you can, stay low in a slight squat and keep your steps quick but controlled. This dynamic stretch activates your hips, glutes and legs, getting your lower body ready for more movement fam. Let's go. Make sure you're steady. Now we're going into side lunges. Start with your feet wide apart, lunge to the right, bending your right knee while keeping your left knee straight. Push off your right foot and come back to center. Then lunge to the left. Bend your left knee and keeping the right leg straight. Continue alternating between sides. Feel the stretch through your inner thigh and focus on pushing your hips back as you lunge. This move is great for opening up your hips and stretching your legs while building strength in your lower body. Let's stretch those hamstrings with some wide stance toe touches. Stand with your feet wide apart and arms out to the sides. Twist your torso as you reach your right hand to your left foot. Then return to center and reach your left hand to your right foot. Keep alternating sides, feeling that stretch through your hamstrings and lower back. This dynamic stretch also engages your core as you twist and reach, helping improve flexibility and range of motion in your spine. Finally, we'll wrap it up with forward lunges. Step forward with your right foot into a deep lunge, dropping your back knee toward the ground. Push off the front foot to return to standing. Then switch legs and step forward with your left foot. Keep alternating and focus on keeping your chest lifted and core engaged. Forward lunges are great for stretching hips, quads, and hamstrings, while also strengthening your legs and improving balance. Awesome work, fam! In just 5 minutes, you've warmed up your entire body, stretched out those muscles, and activated your legs and core. These dynamic stretches are perfect for getting you ready for a workout or shaking off any stiffness during the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, fam. Remember to save this routine and come back whenever you need a quick full body warm-up. Let's keep moving and stay strong, fam. Let's go! Catch you in the next video.